Hello, hi. Oh my god, it's been a while. Who are you again? Yeah, I'm that trans girl that makes those videos online. Alexis. Welcome to 3 years on estrogen. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Ah, I just got to you. Oh my god. Oh! So, this is my 1 month update on estrogen. 2 month update on estrogen. So, it's been 3 months on estrogen, 4 months on estrogen, 6 months since I've been on estrogen. It's been 7 months since I started the estrogen. It's been 10, oh my dear lord, it's been 10 months since I've been on estrogen. Hello all my little pandas. It is now the 11th month. So this is 12 months a year, oh my dear lord. So, as I said, I'm 3 years on estrogen, so that would mean that I'm 3 years, 3 months and a half on HRT. But today's focus is going to be on estrogen. So I'm on the estrogen, the Femitab, the estradiol, the lady juice, the lady pills, no, the feminine pills that have been changing my life for about 3 years. Not about, it was yesterday, it was 3 years. And I just wanted to make a quick video to give all your faces an update on my face. I got loads of new tattoos. And I need so much more. Stop getting distracted, Alexis. Let's go. So estrogen, it did plateau, to be honest. That's not a surprising factor. So it won't be a major focus on like all the changes in my body because there hasn't been many, you know, apart from the little weight I've been putting on, which is bloody great. I'm like baffling. It's like an ongoing fight with this whole weight thing. It's like I'm putting it on and then I'm losing it and I'm putting it on and I just don't want to lose it. I'm trying to, like, I just want to be curvier and I just want to be softer instead of just like the stick model. I just don't want to be. So basically in my everyday life I'm just living it, and I'm not too sure about this whole passing thing, only because people just don't gender me, which is nice. It's like this middle ground where it's like, what is it? Let's not gender it. So I've just been living in this kind of like limbo kind of world where I just feel like I'm passing but I'm not passing, and I have no issues with the word passing because I actually fully believe that passing is an amazing thing and people want to do it. That is just a valid thing. It's not that I'm like transphobic or nothing, it's that I just don't want to be at the forefront. I do make these videos but I want to blend in. I just want to be in the background, just that basic girl that's like having a bad hair day. Like, I don't want to be that trans girl that's having a bad hair day. I just want to be that person that's having a bad hair day. You know, it just doesn't have to be a major factor. Like, I make these videos, but I'm making these videos for educational purposes, not to be like that trans person online, because literally what 0.0001% of the world like have ever like even graced my channel and seen my videos. So like I'm not like this overly famously trans person. I just make these videos, so I don't want to be seen as the trans person anymore. I just want to be the person in the background that just blends in and just is getting on with their life. And if I am passing, thank you, yay, that's nice, because I don't want to be sad, you know, because to not pass is to be really dysphoric, and to be dysphoric is not a fun thing for me or for anyone. Would that be overstepping a statement? It's like, does anyone enjoy bloody dysphoria? No. So why would you want to not pass? Like, if you want to be like this trans representation for the world, go you. I don't. But I am happy to be blending into the background and just getting on with my life. 3 years on estrogen now, and yeah, just hacking me way into life, trying to like do work, make money, pay the bills, mortgages, being single, being 28, life. I wanted to say thank you for to all the pandas, all the cubs that have been here from the start, to the new pandas that have graced their faces as of late. Hi. You're cute. I wanted to tell you a quick thing about the galas. Do you remember the galas? It would have been like 2 years ago and I would have made a short quick video about it. The best way I could describe the gala awards would be like the Irish version of the Trevor Project awards, only because the only similarity they have is that they're a award show and that they are LGBT. They're given like awards to LGBT people that have done things for the community, impacted the community for the better. So like 2 years ago I would have been up for this nomination called the Online Influencer Award. I made it down to the top 4 and I was an official nominee and I got to go to the ceremony and it was so glamorous. I'm officially nominated again. I was cut down to the final 15 and then I was cut down to the final 4 in the category Digital Changemaker. The online Digital Changemaker. No, it's not the online Alexis, it's the LGBT Digital Changemaker Award. So the ceremony is like in a month and I can't wait. I'm going to be so glamorous and I don't know what I'm going to wear, but I think I'm going to wear something big and long and black and just going to be like big hair. Gonna make a big statement only because it's like the closest thing I'm gonna get to a red carpet. Okay, so I'm gonna lap it up and I'm gonna take every advantage and I'm gonna look good. I'm gonna get some good photos. You'd be surprised like what kind of things you get through in life. Like time is such a healer, so just keep trekking on. But you are strong enough to do it and I believe in you. So little pandas, be it the cubs or the new pandas that arrived as of late, welcome and thank you. And let me just fix this, you know. Thank you for being here. To this day still does surprise me that you're here because I'm a mess. Why would anyone listen to me? Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will let you go. I'll let you get back to your general life, and thank you for using a bit of your precious time on watching my video. And if I've ever helped you in any small way, please do comment. I would love to hear it. It's so easy to forget the connection that is there because I'm just literally standing here in my very messy room talking to a camera, and I have lost touch with this channel only because I'm so bloody stressed and tired with life, and it takes forever to do these videos. I'm not like this professional editor, but I try to edit and I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I've created an unrealistic standard for myself and then I stopped making videos for ages, and obviously I didn't have much time because the time I did have I slept. That's like my brand. It's like sleep. Sleep is the most amazing thing. It's the best invention ever created. So thank you to whoever created sleep because, you know, you're great. I want to give a quick shout out to Alex for giving me the encouragement to make a video, and they did say when you make a video you better say something to me. So Alex, thanks so much. And I want to also just give a shout out to Stephen, Charlie, Lilith, Natalia, just people that have been definitely making a big impact in my life as of late, and I just want to say thank you for pushing me and it may kick up the bum as well sometimes as well as nice. So thank you. Have a lovely day, all you amazing pandas. Bye. Wait. Bye.